Welcome to Quiz Nation. I'm Jenny. Let's play.
20 English Conversational Quiz. How do you ask about someone's job? What do you do? What do you? What you do? What do you do? How do you ask about someone's marital status? Are you married? You are married? Married are you? Are you married? How do you ask about the time? What time is it? Time what is? What is time? What time is it? How do you ask for help in a store? You can help me? Can you help me? Help can you me? Can you help me? How do you ask about the price of something? How much is it? How is much it? It is how much? How much is it? How do you ask about someone's family? You have a family? A family do you have? Do you have a family? Do you have a family? How do you ask about someone's favorite food? What your favorite food is? What is your favorite food? Is what your favorite food? What is your favorite food? How do you ask about someone's hobbies? Are what your hobbies? What your hobbies are? What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? How do you ask about someone's plans for the weekend? What are you doing this weekend? What you are doing this weekend? Are what you doing this weekend? What are you doing this weekend? How do you ask about someone's favorite color? Is what your favorite color? What your favorite color is? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? How do you greet someone in the morning? Good evening. Good morning. Good night. Good morning. How do you ask for directions to the restroom? Where's the restroom? Where is the sleeping room? Where can I find the room? Where's the restroom? How do you ask someone if they like the food? You like the food? Do you like the food? Is the food likable to you? Do you like the food? How do you ask for a recommendation at a restaurant? What do you recommend? You recommend what? What is recommendable? What do you recommend? How do you ask if a seat is taken? Does this seat take? Is taken this seat? Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? How do you ask someone to repeat something? You can repeat? Can you repeat that? Repeat, can you that? Can you repeat that? How do you ask about someone's health? You are feeling how? How are you feeling? Feeling, how are you? How are you feeling? How do you ask someone to speak more slowly? Could you speak more slowly? You could speak slow. Speak slow, could you? Could you speak more slowly? How do you ask about the weather? The weather, how is? How's the weather? Is how the weather? How is the weather? How do you ask someone where they are from? Where are you from? You are from where? From where are you? Where are you from?
Great job! Like, share, and subscribe.